Good morning, my dear students. This is P.V. Ramakrishna. Dear children, before going to the topic, we discuss some daily life situations. Take a look around you. You can see some examples of parallel lines from where you are sitting. Okay, now see, my dear children, this is the frame of window. So these three are the rods. These are horizontally, and these are the another rods vertically intersecting these three rods. For example, if these three are the lines, if you imagine these three are the lines and it is another line intersecting at three different points, what do you call this line? For 10 or 15 years ago, we used to use antenna to get signals from satellite to watch TV. Is it? Observe on the screen. See, in this antenna, some sticks are arranged parallelly and those sticks are intersecting by another stick. Yes, what do you call that stick? Yes, and next, if you observe stair railings of a building, the stair railings of a building also, in that if you observe on the screen, the pipes are arranged horizontally, and here observe the vertical pipe is intersecting those three horizontal pipes at three different points. What do you call that vertical pipe? Yes. In antenna case, that stick, and in the staircase, in stair railings also, that vertical pipe. These are all examples of a transversal. Is it? So in this class we are going to discuss definition of a transversal and its daily life applications. Now, what is the definition of a transversal? It is a line that intersects two or more lines at different points is called a transversal. Now, few more examples we see the applications of a transversal. In architecture also we use. See the picture. It is a historical landmark located in Rome, Italy. It was a stadium back when it was built first. So they also have a transversal passing through it. In this way, architects and builders use the basic geometrical concepts. Not only like this, my dear children, in mathematics also we use this concept to show similarity of triangles. In physics, to draw ray diagrams in ray optics topic. And in chemistry, while deriving the derivation of Bragg's equation. My dear children, this is about a definition of a transversal and applications of lines and a transversal in daily life. In next class, we will discuss angles formed when a transversal intersects a pair of lines. Thank you. Have a nice day.